Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today is Monday crochet chat video, and I'm starting off with a cup of Starbucks vanilla coffee out of my new mug, powered by coffee and yarn. And on the back side, as you drink the coffee, it says thinking about yarn, and drink a little more, really thinking about yarn. And then you get down here, let's do this. Isn't it adorable here? So you can see this side. I found this mug at Hobby Lobby. So if you want one, run to your local Hobby Lobby, see if they got them. All right, so let's go ahead and get start today's video off with what are the steps to learning to crochet. It's a chain of events. All right, let's just get right on in. First of all, I'd like to say that I am doing a collaboration with Hobie Yarns. I'm excited about it. And it's hashtag Hobie Yarn Launch. They have some new yarns. I think like 4 different ones. And I chose some. And so April the 17th, I will do an unboxing and show you. And then I have a project that I will be making with this yarn to show you how it works. So I'm pretty excited about that. So thank you, Hobie, for that. I've just put my order in today, this morning. So be looking forward to that. All right, the other thing is we have on this channel, we have the year-long March. That's not it. We have the year-long basket crochet along going on, and I finished my March one. Let me show you my March. Here it is. And I just went by the basket tutorial, not the YouTube tutorial, but the one that I have, the PDF that I have in my Etsy shop, which I'll leave the link below for you guys. But I did the little tip where you crochet this tight. Now, one of you said that you're having trouble getting your hook back in when you go back around. I have not had that issue. So if anyone's had that issue of the stitch being too tight for your hook to go back in, maybe you can put something in the comments about that. But so far my hook has gone in just fine, and when I pull to tighten, then when I go back around to work on that previous row, it's fine. So I'm not sure how to answer that, but anyway. So I did use the green. This is all that I have left. It's Red Heart with Love. So apparently I've already thrown the label away to this, but I'm pretty sure it was lime, and it's Red Heart with Love Metallic. And then I used Red Heart Super Saver, Bright Yellow, and Mainstay White. All those colors to achieve this look, in case you're interested in this look. All right, guys, so I have started on the racetrack rug, and I'm pretty excited about this one. It's coming along just fine. This is where I'm at so far. And the yarn that I'm using for this is Red Heart Super Saver. Let's see. It's called Spring Green. And it's a free pattern on ekayg.com. I think that's the name of it. ekayg.com. You can put in, when you get there, you can put in racetrack rug. I'll put a picture right here. But yeah, guys, if you're interested in making this, I'm having a lot of fun with this because I'm just going around in circles. But I'm fixing to start on the black and white. And that means I have to do, change colors. I think maybe just 4 colors. I think it's black, white, and then goes back to black. And that's just like maybe where the starting line is that I'm doing that. The rest of it will be just all black, and then I'll go back to all green. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Pretty good, right? That is row, let's see, that's row 14 on that. And I'm using a 6.5 millimeter. Oh my gosh, guys, I just realized what I've done. I thought this seemed small. I did all this work with a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook, or I thought. This is a 3.75. It says 6.5 and then 3.75 next to it. Look at that. Can you guys see that? I thought I was using a 6.5. But yet I kept thinking it seemed pretty small. Wow. That's a huge difference. Yeah, all that work. Pray for me, guys. Just pray for me. Okay, I know my sister Tanya's dying laughing. I know she's just dying laughing. All right, guys, I'll keep you updated tomorrow or Wednesday's video on Whip Katie Wednesday, 1 to 2. But yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to start over because I don't want the rug to be too tiny. Be like a bitty bitty baby rug. All right. So moving on. The next thing I'm working on that is working okay is I'm working on the rug. I mean the corner to corner blanket that I started last year and just kind of put to the side. I'm using Red Heart Super Saver. It's scuba. It's an ombre yarn here. A medium full weight. The spring green, matter of fact, is a medium full weight as well. The hook, I am using the right size hook for this one, is an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. And here's what I have so far on this blanket. There. So I will probably be working on this today for sure. I will have my grandson Knox with me all day. So him and I are going to do some stuff. But during the rest time period, I will probably work on this. And then this evening, I do have my workout class that I'm going to. My I think it's called the boot camp class. So guys, don't forget to continue trying to stay fit, trying to stay healthy. Get up, get out, do something. Whatever you can do. Just, whether it's get up and go, I don't know, do the dishes, go check your mail, walk around the room, go feed the dogs. I don't know, step outside and get some fresh air, whatever it is that you've got to do to keep your heart pumping and keep yourself moving. It's good for your mentality as well, not just, for your blood flow. It's all the combination of all that. So yeah, so I encourage you guys to get up. What I was doing was get up every hour and walk at least 250 steps. I know it's hard to leave that project. I know. I've been there. Instead of asking someone, hey, go get me a skein of yarn that's laying here, or go get my scissors that's laying in the bedroom in there, I forgot them. Get up and do it yourself. That will give you the steps that you need, and it will help your body. Our Be Still and Know devotion. Choosing wisdom. If you wait at wisdom's doorway, longing to hear a word for every day, joy will break forth within you as you listen for what I'll say. For the fountain of life pours into you every time that you find me, and this is the secret of growing in the delight and the favor of the Lord. Proverbs 8:34-36. The word wisdom is used hundreds of times in the Bible. Time and time again, we are instructed to use good judgment, to make sound decisions, to use prudence and circumspection. King Solomon made a special point to ask God to give him wisdom throughout his time as Israel's leader. Because of this, God honored and blessed him. God, I choose wisdom today. I wait at wisdom's doorway. I know true happiness is found there. Okay, guys, I just love bringing that to you guys. That's all I have for this video. I'm working, looks like I'm fixing to start all over on my racetrack rug. I will be working on this, and I'm looking forward to the Hobie yarn that I'm getting. I think it's the Bingo Extra XL that I chose. They gave me like 4 choices, I believe, of yarn, and I picked that one. And I'm excited to share the project. It's a free project. No, wait. It's an Etsy pattern. It's a paid-for pattern that I'm using this yarn for to show you how the yarn works up. Because I don't know how it works up either. I'm fixing to try it, test it, and yeah, I'm excited about that. So, yeah, that's all I have for today's video. Be sure to write your own story. Don't quit. Live life and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.